In this lesson, I'll show you how to create dynamic lists through data validation. I hope that it will speed up your data entry, also ensure the accuracy and consistency. It will abstain you from misspelling as well. So we have been given the following data: company names in the column of A and product lists in the column of B. It's obvious that the probability of making mistakes when you're typing these product names is high, so making dynamic lists will help us to handle this problem. You will be typing the product names only one time. First of all, let's create two dynamic named range. The first one I'll call company name, and another one I'll call the product name. As you have already known how to create dynamic range, now let's jump to create them. Go to formulas and define name. The first one I call the company name and write the offset function. Offset the first cell of the range, comma 0, 0, count A function, you do not have to subtract the 1 from the count A function because we don't have any labels on the range, comma and 1, and click OK. Now let's create another one. Product name, again offset first cell of the range, comma 0, 0, count A, comma 1, click OK. Now you have created two dynamic range. The first one company name and the second one is product name. To use data validation, select the entire column and go to Data tab. In the Data tool group, click the Data Validation. On the open window, in the Settings tab, under the Allow, select the list from the drop-down list. Under the source code, write the name of the dynamic range, but do not forget equal sign in front of it. Company name. Click OK. Do the same for the product name. Click OK. Now you have created a data validation. You see, for the product name, all the data appears on the list. Now let's add new data to our range. Then try to check our list. You see, in new data again will appear on our list. Del and a new product, VNewPro. You are able to use the same approach when you use ActiveX controls on the spreadsheet. In a quick way, I will show you how to do that. First, go to Developer tab. Of course, this tab may not appear on your ribbon. In order to activate this tab, go to File, Options. On this window, a new dialog window will appear, and on this window, go to Customize ribbon. Here you will see Developer tab. If it's unchecked, please click on it in order to check it. Now you see it's on my ribbon. Then go to Controls, expand Insert, and select Combo Box ActiveX Control. Put the control wherever you want on the spreadsheet. To add a list to the combo box, go to Properties and find the List Fill Range. Go to Properties and find List Fill Range. And write the name of the dynamic range and close the window. And close the window. And uncheck the design mode. And now you see our data appears on the list. So this is a wonderful tool to save lots of time. In the next lecture, I will talk about Excel tables as a dynamic range. See you in the next lecture.